Meaning of Harlem.
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 Harlem. Harlem is a neighborhood located in the northern part of Manhattan, New York City. The name Harlem comes from the Dutch village of Harlem, which was the original European settlement in the area. Over time, Harlem became a hub of African American culture during the early 20th century, known for its jazz music and fashion trends. It was also a center for the civil rights movement. Today, Harlem is a diverse community with a rich history and vibrant art scene, attracting tourists and locals alike to its many cultural landmarks and events.